Today, we will crochet this manta ray. First, take your cotton yarn and start with the foundation chain. This doesn't count as a stitch. Then we crochet 11 chain stitches. Now, we're going to work back along the chain, starting in the left loop of the second stitch from the hook. We're going to work one single crochet into each of the next 9 stitches. You can put a marker on the first stitch. Once finished, work 3 single crochets into the last stitch. This will help us turn and work along the opposite side. Continue down the other side of the chain. We're going to work one single crochet into each of the next 8 stitches. In that very last stitch, we're going to place 3 single crochets all in the same spot. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. First round is done. Then start the second round with a chain stitch. First, we crochet and single crochet increase. We're going to work one single crochet into each of the next 8 stitches. Work an increase into the next stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, we crochet an increase. Then work 9 single crochets. We hook an increase in the next stitch. Then single crochet 1. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Our second round is completed. Start the third round with a chain stitch. For this round, we're going to work evening, placing 1 single crochet into each of the 27 stitches. Make sure to use your stitch markers so you don't lose count. I'll see you when you're finished with this round. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Then start with a chain stitch. Start by placing 1 single crochet in each of the next 27 stitches. Don't forget to use your stitch marker at the beginning of the round. After completing, we continue to crochet 7 chain stitches. Once finished, start working back down the chain from the left loop of the second stitch from the hook. Hook 6 single crochet stitches. Once finished, slip stitches into the first stitch to join. We started the 5th round with a chain stitch. To start this round, place 1 single crochet into each of the next 13 stitches. After completing, we crochet 7 chain stitches. Skip the first stitch and work 6 single crochets back, starting in the 2nd loop from the hook. Once finished, work 14 single crochets starting from the next stitch. After completing, we hooked 6 single crochets on the left half of this stitch. Work 3 single crochets into the next stitch to turn the corner. Work 5 single crochets starting in the very next stitch. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Then we started the 6th round with a chain stitch. In the 6th round, first we crochet 13 single crochets. Once finished, work 6 single crochets into the left loops. Once finished, work 3 single crochets into the next stitch. Next, we'll continue by working 33 single crochets. Once finished, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch.